Briefly on your own. The lab test needs completing. The data should be within the range of 0.5 to 1.
Supervisor's gone away, I got my lab tests underway. All she knows I know as well. In my work I will excel. Yeah. Countless weeks that I have spent, the lab machines to my will bend, the cell lines grow. Oh, what the hell, they overflow. Oh no. To 1. Not. Why? 0.5 to 1. Shit. Not. 0.5 to 1. Why not? Shit. What? 0.5 to 1. Stop. Oh, please stand still, why don't you heed my will? I've forgotten who is me, what the right technique may be. Maybe the drug screen scores are negative, the image segmentation unpresentative. Oh, better failure, what should I do? What?
Together, gather your colleagues. In science, teamwork makes us better.